World Fuel Services, we're a global company in 200 locations. We basically buy, procure and sell and store energy services for organisations. So that's everything from fueling planes and trucks to supplying wind farms and power that supply the Google data centres and everything in between.
Today, the whole world, it's all about digital transformation, it's all about digital transactions. The recent COVID incident was a clear example of our readiness to be completely digital.
The objective of our digital transformation is to serve our customers better. As their needs increase, our platforms need to scale to meet that.
We have over 300 plus applications that we support. But we are also investing heavily in our portals, the customer portals, the supplier portals, and that is where our effort is now to digitize our business.
The other part is we moved our architecture from a monolithic-based application to a microservices-based application. That means a single application is now composed of multiple microservices.
And so as we reorganised that way, we very much needed to give the tools and assets to those teams to be accountable for the platforms they support. We looked for a variety of tools that would help us achieve that, and New Relic was certainly a very key part of our strategy to move our culture from a reactive one to a proactive one.
Without a tool like New Relic, we would be totally blind. We would be dependent on somebody calling us and telling us something is wrong.
If there is a production issue that we have and we need to figure out what went wrong, with New Relic we're able to search for a specific time period in the logs, find that specific message, and then we can also look into APM for that time period.
What is the error? What is the customer number? What is the root cause? We are getting all the information about the failure right away.
Because we have all the data already collected in New Relic, we don't have to go in and look for it on the server.
One of the gaps we had was our mean time to restore was in excess of 36 hours per incident, which is huge for a global company, and the impact of that is very, very costly, particularly from a customer's perspective.
But now, because of proactive monitoring, we are able to troubleshoot these issues within less than 2 hours.
Even though the applications are distributed, we still need to have that one singular view of the entire application as a whole versus pieces of it. That's one of the areas where the New Relic One platform has really helped us make sure that we have a single unified view of the entire product. That is what really gives our team members peace of mind. That is what helps them have a life outside of work. Also, to maintain that level of quality that we need to do right by our customers.
I read one slogan from New Relic, for the love of software. That's where my love is as well. I love software development, I love my team. We learn new tools, we learn new technologies.
We have the right talent, we are leveraging the right technology, and we have the right partners to get us and take us into the future.